Hi friends, today I got a package from Nothing. This is CMF. CMF is a sub brand of Nothing, which is a London based company. In the box I will show you what we are getting. So we are getting a CMF neckband and CMF buds. These are the two things what we are getting, and the third thing is the lanyard. So I will show all the things what we are getting. In this video we are going to do only the unboxing of CMF bud and the lanyard. The neckband will be in a separate video, so stay tuned and check out the next video if you are interested for the neckband. So let's start with CMF Buds. CMF Buds Pro was launched few months back, but this is now the CMF Buds. It will be coming in three colors: orange, light grey and dark grey. These are the three colors. It comes with few features and the box written price is 2,999. This is not the final price. The final price will be written in the description section below. So stay tuned for that. Now this will connect through the Nothing X app, which I will show you later. It comes with the two pair of extra bud tips. Total it will get S size, M size and L size. These are the three ear tip size it will get. It comes with a lanyard which you can attach to this earbuds. It looks pretty much beautiful in color. The orange color is the dope one. And if you talk about the case, it weighs around 52.84 gram. Each earbud weighs around 4.57 gram. The charging case weighs around 43.7 gram. So it is very light in weight. And if you talk about the other things what comes in the box is the safety guide information and also user guide info. I will definitely recommend you guys to go through that. This is the lanyard which you get inside the box. I am not sure that this will come separately or it will come inside the box. You don't get any charging cable inside this earbuds box. And also how to install this lanyard, it is very simple. Just push through it and you can definitely install it. Now coming to few more things, the earbuds comes with a 12.4 mm dynamic drivers, and the earbuds are biofiber and custom TPU. It supports AAC and SBC codecs. It comes with transparency mode. There is also low lag mode which comes in the Nothing X app, and there is also game mode specially. The earbuds come with IP54 rating, which is a water and dust proof rating. It also has Google Fast Pair, so it connects with the Android devices very quickly. For the app, it will be Nothing X app, which will be available for Android 5.1 or above, and also for iOS, it will be iOS 13 and above. If we talk, each earbuds comes with the two microphones. In total, it comes with the 4 microphones. Now talking about the charging, of 10 minutes of charging, it can run up to 6.5 hours. Each earbud comes with the 45 mAh battery, and the charging case comes with the 460 mAh battery. The pairing is done very easily. Here you can see. It will take just few seconds. Just do the steps, and once it is done, pairing can be done. It will ask for pair. Just press the pair and don't ask again. There is an option. Also, I will ask you to tap that. Then it will also tell you what are the functions, which I will tell you later. It can be customized. Now the setup of the device was very easy once it is done. These are all the functions, which is with the double taps, triple tap. It can be customized also, and I will definitely recommend you to check that later. These are the two earbuds. It will show you the battery percentage of both the earbuds and also the case at the same time. Even the noise control can be done. It comes with the noise cancellation, transparency mode, and you can switch that off also. Even there is an equalizer. Ultra Bass is also present. It has the direct audio and the audio color. Even the Ultra Bass can be set up to 5 different levels. There is a firmware update. I definitely recommend you guys to do the firmware update. It needs a constant internet connection. So try to do this in a Wi-Fi internet connection. Please update the firmware, wait for a few seconds. Once it is done, you are good to go. Now let's talk about all the features including the controls. So if you tap on the left and the right, you can directly go and check out the control. It comes with a double tap where you can use it as play, pause, skip. There is also triple tap. You can change that to the voice assistant also. Tap and hold, and there is also double tap and hold. So Totally it gives you 4 options directly for each earbuds. This is for the left, and even you can switch right to the right earbud, and directly you can change all the settings. It is totally customizable. You can customize according to your need, but definitely this is a useful feature which you don't see easily. There is also equalizer, and this equalizer will show you that how the earbuds will give you the audio sound even for the rock, electronic, pop, classical. So when I put to rock, you can see how the audio will go for the mid, bass, and also for the treble. So this is how it will change for classical also, electronic also, pop also, and enhanced vocal. So these will be the equalizer. Noise control can be switch off and switch on, and it also has the transparency level. There's an ultra bass which comes with the 5 noise level. In-ear detection is also present. Low lag mode is present. If you're playing a game, I will definitely recommend you. Currently there is no firmware update. It is running with the Bluetooth 5.3, and it supports dual connections, so 2 devices can be connected at the same time. It includes 2 smartphones or 1 smartphone, 1 laptop, or maybe 2 laptops. It is completely up to you. Now talking about the tap feature, this is how you will tap. It tap on the top where there is a orange dot. So double tap, triple tap, or tap and hold. It is a very easy function. And talking about this, the earbuds feel very light in weight. Talking about the average battery life, it can run up to 35.5 hours, which the company is claiming. And for the talk time or for listening music, it can run 8 hours with the buds. With the case, it can run up to 35 hours. If you talk about the battery, each earbuds come with the 45 mAh battery, and the case comes with the 460 mAh battery. Using CMF Bud while pairing or maybe using with the device app, it is very easy to do. Even here you can see the battery percentage of both the earbuds and also the case, which is good. Even what are the functions you can see directly: double tap, triple tap, press and hold. So I'm just doing those functions. It is working completely fine. I have no issues with the left or right tap. So it is working fine for me. And these earbuds currently priced at 2,999, but the final price or an introductory price and where it will be available, everything will be given in the description section below, so definitely check that out too. Now coming to the audio quality thing, the ultra bass works fine, and the transparency mode is also good. The ANC, the noise cancellation also works good for me. I haven't tried the low lag mode. But talking about the IP54 rating, it is an advantage. It is very light in weight, and I definitely recommend you guys to check this out. In this price point, it is already a killer, and all the features, all the functionality with customizing your both the earbuds is a good thing, and also the battery life, which runs around 35 hours or more. So this is all about the CMF Buds. This is Devin signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.